Plug in the power cord and switch on. Pull up the first spool pin and place a spool of thread onto it. Guide the thread around the bobbin winder thread guide. Remove the extension table from the machine. To remove the bobbin case, open the hook cover, raise the needle by turning the hand wheel towards you. Take out the bobbin case by holding the latch. Take the bobbin out of its case. Insert the thread through the hole in the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder spindle. Push it to the right. Pull the hand wheel out. Hold the free end of the thread with your hand and press down on the foot pedal. When the bobbin is wound, stop the machine. Cut the thread and return the bobbin winder spindle to the left. Place the bobbin into the bobbin case. Make sure the thread unwinds in a clockwise direction. Draw the thread under the tension spring and into the delivery eye. Insert the bobbin case back into the machine, making sure it clicks into place. Threading the machine. Take the thread from the spool and draw through the thread guide. Raise the take-up lever to its highest position by turning the hand wheel towards you. Firmly draw the thread up and through the take-up lever from right to left. Draw the thread down into the tension area and then around the check spring holder. Then draw the thread down and slip it into the needle bar thread guide on the left. Thread the needle eye from front to back. Drawing up the bobbin thread. Turn the hand wheel slowly towards you until the needle does a full cycle. This should catch the bobbin thread. Pull 10 cm of both threads back and under the presser foot. The thread tension is adjusted depending on the sewing materials, layers of fabric, and sewing method. To begin stitching, lift the foot and place the fabric underneath. To sew in reverse, press the reverse stitch button.